So, on the basis of preamble of the Constitution of India, we can say we have such commitments so that we can achieve welfare state. We could achieve welfare state. We can achieve welfare state, no doubt. But during this process of achieving welfare state, or we can say that we are striving to achieve welfare state, another things come out, that is modern state. As the principles of modern state is based upon democracy along with welfare state. So the primary condition to achieve modern state or to achieve the parameters of modern state is welfare. Very debatable view whether we could achieve welfare state or we can achieve welfare state, how much we have provided to our citizens the basic things, essentials for the welfare state. Very debatable issue. But this welfare state is based upon modern state, parameters of modern state. Now, what are the parameters of modern state? The first foremost thing is democratic setup. So many countries having democratic setup, no doubt. They have established governments. They say we are sovereign. But this aspect of democracy should be consistent with the other parameters. When we say we have democracy, we must have well-established government as per the grand norm, that is constitution of any country. Or we can provide justice to the citizens on the basis of democratic setup, because democracy here means we the people by the people establish our government. We are dispensing justice as per the codified law. We have well established education system, health system, defense system. Similarly, other well established system, not for 5 years, 10 years, but it might be there last 50 years, 70 years, 60 years, which is the best evidence to prove that we have modern state. We have parameters of modern state. Say again, by concluding this part, democracy with welfare state. These are philosophical views, maybe, because these things are not reflected under the Constitution of India or any other constitution of the world. These principles comes out on the basis of working of the Constitution, or you may say constitutionalism. But while adopting Constitution or constitutionalism, again, few challenges came to us as a modern state. If we say we are modern state only, then say health issues, human rights issues, weapon issues, how to be in race for front runner with the developed countries, reproductive rights, whether we are able to cope with these challenges or not, whether we have infrastructure facilities to cope with these problems. If we are able, then we can say we are towards modern state when we prove ourselves as front runners. And the most important point here is, in the era of digitalization, data protection laws, whether we have data protection laws or not, whether we can protect the data of other countries, given to us for the purpose of banking, for the for other purposes. So data protection laws is the present parameter. Can we give or not? Very important point. And when we have to discuss this part, modern state or theories for modern state, you will find different theories, different ideologies, how to achieve modern state, what are the parameters of modern state. So dear students, modern state or law of modern state is not provided. It is basically based upon, or you may say it's a kind of implication when we are following the conventions or the provisions of Constitution of India. So in the end, thank you very much.